Introducing the 95-6562, a new dash kit solution for select 2014 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee models. Engineered to help you install a 4-inch tall aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. This dash kit helps make radio replacement simple and is painted scratch-resistant matte black with 2 included trim options, silver and bronze, to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer. But this dash kit is required to make it fit. Stereo installation kit designed to fit any standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio with an ISO mount provision or an ISO single-DIN radio with a pocket 88-00-9004 sold separately. Designed to accommodate the factory climate controls. Painted scratch-resistant matte black with 2 included trim options, silver and bronze, for a factory-like appearance. Includes parts for both small and large screen models. Constructed with high-quality ABS plastic for a durable factory-style fit and finish. Includes brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. Cut template and mounting hardware provided. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.